In this video, I'll show you how to install and watch TikTok on your LG Smart TV. Let's get started. Step 1. Turn on your LG Smart TV. Make sure your TV is connected to the internet. Press the home button on your LG remote to open the main menu. Step 2. Open the LG Content Store. Scroll through the apps and select the LG Content Store. This is where you can download new apps on your TV. Step 3. Search for TikTok. In the LG Content Store, go to the search icon at the top. Type TikTok using your remote. If TikTok is available in your region, it should appear in the search results. Step 4. Install the TikTok app. Select the TikTok app from the list. Click Install and wait for the download to complete. Once installed, you'll see the app on your home screen. Step 5. Open and sign in. Launch the TikTok app. Sign in with your TikTok account or just start browsing videos. Note: if TikTok doesn't appear in the LG Content Store, your TV model or region may not support it. In that case, use a streaming device like Fire Stick, Chromecast, or install TikTok on your phone and cast it to the TV. Thanks for watching. If this helped, please like and subscribe for more smart TV tutorials.